Now, when it comes to cleaning up around the garden, it's a vitally important job, something that we need to do to keep the place looking, well, spick and span. But the thing is, the old way of doing it with a broom is just hard work, particularly if you've got a huge garden. You want to use the latest technology, and the technology is just getting better and better all the time. You get your hands on a great quality blower. Getting rid of unwanted materials from your yard will enhance the look of your home. Plus, it's not as physical as grabbing the leaf rake and doing the job manually. Now, you don't just want any old leaf blower. It's got to be compact, lightweight and ergonomic, but still pack a punch with some power. The STIHL BGA 30 is designed to deliver versatile and efficient performance whilst weighing just 1.7 kilograms. That includes the battery. The BGA 30 is easy to handle and manoeuvre. It's ergonomically designed and reduces strain on your arms, allowing for comfortable use whenever you need it. Now, I'm an early riser, and one of the things that I don't want to do, because I'm up making sure I've got the garden looking great before the heat of the day sets in. Don't want to be upsetting the neighbours, making lots of noise. And that's where this machine is so good. It is so quiet. These battery-operated machines just completely change the game. There's no ringing out sounds across the neighbourhood. You can get the job done, and nobody even knows you've been out there. So we're ticking all the boxes here. What about runtime, you ask? Well, powered by the STIHL AS battery system, the BGA 30 offers long-lasting performance for extended use. The kit is delivered with two AS2 batteries, providing you with consistent power, allowing you to complete your tasks without interruption. And it's compatible with a wide range of STIHL AS system tools as well. Now, the interesting thing about this particular tool is that it makes gardening easy. If you've got a mature garden, 90% of your work is going to be cleaning up in and around. And that's where this design comes in so handy. For a start, if you have a look at the tube design, it's flat on the ends. Now, this is better for moving debris. It just pushes it in a nice, even way around. And of course, because it's longer, it's getting you down in amongst it, so you don't have to be bending over or anything like that. It's a fantastic tool to use from that point of view. But it's got this second tube, which is even more interesting. Let me show you. Now, this smaller tube, you might be asking, what's this good for? Well, if you've got outdoor furniture, you'll know exactly what I mean. Leaf litter, debris, it all gets stuck in amongst it. And you've got this really powerful, quite short tube. So it allows you to get in amongst the furniture and push stuff out. Even better if you've got a workshop and you want to clean down benches, etc. This is absolutely brilliant. As I said, it is so powerful and it makes the job easy. A few tips I like to give when I'm cleaning leaves is 1, work in sections. Start with one area and blow all the leaves into one pile to make the pickup into your bin so much easier. 2, if you don't want to add your leaves and debris to the bin, you can always collect it and use it in your compost heap, which is absolutely smart. And 3, well, leaves like this can be used as a garden mulch. They just break down and add all the nutrients into the soil, feeding your plants. So don't be scared to blow them into garden beds off your lawn. Now, the good thing is, after you've been out in the garden, you bring your machine back in, you take your battery out, and you just pop it in. Good thing is, STIHL have just released 2 new fast chargers for this system, the AS battery system. You've got a dual port or a single port, and it'll charge the battery super fast, which means you can get back out into the garden. And thinking about being in the garden, this little tool here, the BGA 30, it's lightweight, easy to use. It is the perfect blower for cleaning a smaller sized garden. Give it a go. If you want to know more, check out your local STIHL dealer.